Hey, Intro to Algebra, you've got 3 sets of exercises to do today, so I'm just going to do a few with you so you get the hang of it. So for these ones, 4 to the 9th over 4 to the 5th, I really want you to visualize 4 to the 9th. 4 to the 9th means 4 multiplied by itself 9 times, and 4 to the 5th means 4 multiplied by itself 5 times. Now 4 divided by 4 is 1, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and so on. So these 4's cancel out. And what am I left with? This is the same as 4 to the power of 4. Let's look at this one now. It says 11 to some power divided by 11 to the third is 11 squared. So I know that I've got to have some kind of 11 so that when I cancel out 3 11s, then I'm going to have 2 11s left being multiplied. So how many 11s does that mean that I had to have on the top? So that means that there used to have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that x must have been a 5. Okay, the second set of questions has kind of combined rules. So if we've got 3 times 5 to the 6th, then in each one of these parentheses, we have both a 3 and a 5. So how many 3's do we have altogether? Well, we've got 6 3's and 6 5's. So notice that if you don't know how to do any of these, they give you videos and hints. The other thing is that once you've done all of it, sometimes they'll give you a step-by-step. All right, 4x squared. Let's remember that means 4x times 4x. See, this is what I was talking about. You can see a step-by-step solution, so they did it very similar to the way I did it, maybe slightly different. This is the same idea. We're going to have z times z, so in the numerator we're going to have z squared, and in the denominator we're going to have 5 squared. But it asks us just to put a number there, so we're going to write it as a 25. So notice for this one, it says to choose 3 answers. So I'm going to have to make sure that I do that. And they need to be equivalent to 6 squared. So I know that D is not going to do it because that doesn't have any 6's in it. 6 to the 4th divided by 6 squared, that would do it. And here if I cancel out 6's, if I cancel out 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 6 to the 3rd, so that one's no good. This one I will have 6 to the 9th divided by 6 to the 8th is 6, and then squared, so that one's good. And this one down here, in the numerator I'll have 6 to the 12th divided by 6 to the 10th, so I know that one's also good. As you work through these, remember that there are videos and little walkthroughs to help you, and if you don't get 100%, then you can always try again. So here on this one, notice it says try again. I got a 75%, so I can always do it again. All right, awesome. Good job.